International Institute of Digital Marketing is a global certifying body founded in the USA by several long-standing marketers. We have years of experience in business, marketing, and more, and have put forth our combined experience to develop International Institute of Digital Marketing. When you've got the basics of content marketing down, but you need to expand your skill set with creating content for the digital world, this course is for you. This covers Photoshop and how to utilize it, podcasts and similar long-form branded information, and more, with the end goal of making your brand recognizable through consistent, identifiable content. With this course, you'll learn the in-depths of marketing using podcasts and similar forms of audio content. Begin in Photoshop using image manipulation in your marketing to enable eye-catching page advertisements and make full-form videos, whether instructional or entertainment, and more. You'll learn the ins and outs of the properties and quirks of hosting video on different websites, how you can provide pockets of learning through podcasting, and how to create beautiful and engaging visual content through Photoshop. This course was developed with marketing and marketing executives who want to learn the highest level of digital marketing in mind, and any high-level marketers in charge of handling critical brands. This was an International Institute of Digital Marketing informational video. To learn more, please visit www.thedigitalmarketinginstitute.org or subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more.